Hook, have you ever looked at your Acorns app, feeling a pang of panic because you can't find your account number? It's like trying to find your keys in a dimly lit room when you're already running late. Trust me, I've been there. Context: Acorns is a fantastic investment app, making it easy to start saving and investing, even with small amounts. But when you need your account number for something important, like transferring funds or verifying your identity, it can be surprisingly elusive. Main content. Method 1. The app itself. Open the Acorns app. This might seem obvious, but it's the first place to check. Navigate to your profile, look for a profile icon or a settings button. Find your account information, scroll through the settings to find a section labeled Account or Account Information. Locate your account number, it should be listed prominently under your name or profile picture. Method 2. Your Acorns email. Check your Acorns email. If you can't find it in the app, look for an email from Acorns. Search for account number. Use the search function in your email client to find emails containing the phrase account number. Locate the account number. The email confirming your account setup or any subsequent emails related to your account should contain your account number. Method 3. Acorns Customer Support. Contact Acorns Customer Support. If you've exhausted the previous methods, reach out to Acorns directly. Provide necessary information. Be prepared to provide your name, email address, and any other identifying information they may request. Request your account number. Clearly state that you need your account number and explain why. Additional tips. Save your account number. Once you find it, take a screenshot or write it down for future reference. Check your account settings. Some apps allow you to view your account number directly in the settings. Review your account history. Your account history or transaction details might also contain your account number. Conclusion. Finding your Acorns account number shouldn't be a mystery. By following these simple steps, you can quickly locate it and continue using your investment app without any hassle. End sharply. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.